Hey kids, it's Kaylee and welcome back to another video, baby. So today is Friday, tomorrow's Saturday, and tomorrow is the masquerade thing at school. It's all masquerade ball and I'm showing out. So I'm in the bathroom right now because I just peed and shit. Like look, y'all, I look so cute. This is how you look like when you fuck nigga free. Cause not a lot of people get that. You know what I'm saying? When you fuck nigga free, y'all understand. But anyway, today I'm going to be showing y'all my weekend. But this video is mostly a makeup routine. I just wanted to show y'all what we were doing this weekend because I deleted my last vlog. But this one I'm definitely keeping up. So stay tuned and stay hyped for my vlog, y'all. Period. It's gonna be mostly like a makeup, hair, how I do my makeup and hair video, mostly like my makeup routine and shit. So stay along for the ride. Back to the vlog. So we are here in my room getting ready for work. Y'all look at the body. But y'all, I've been working out, gaining a little weight, you know. Let's go into the right place, whatever. Hopefully nobody see that, cause yeah. But y'all, I've been working out and I've been scared because of like me working out. Like I'm just scared of like my weight and stuff like that. Maybe I do need to eat a little better next week. I really do, because I was eating fries mostly and quesadillas and shit. So today I'm eating healthy. Today I'm eating healthy because I gotta wear my dress today, and I'm eating healthy as fuck because I'm trying to wear that dress for I'm eating breakfast though. But look, y'all, this is my like outfit for today. Because even though I got work, I'm gonna wear this to go to the basketball tournament. Oh my god! Let me show you how the sign I need. Yup. Y'all don't know, but it's so cute. I fuck with it. It took me only like 10 minutes or whatever, but y'all, I look so cute now. So yeah, I've been gaining weight, but I kind of been scared about that, and like I kind of want to lose weight again, just a little bit, just because my arms, like, they got thick. But also I am getting muscle as well, so it's like I'm not really upset. Like my arms are getting firm, bro, firm. Look at this. Oh, see that? I'm getting like more muscle in my arms, so I gotta put that into account too. But today I'm not gonna take y'all to work with me because I don't really like my job like that. But I'm gonna see y'all at the basketball tournament, and then after the basketball tournament, you're gonna like do like get ready with me for like the thing. I'll be doing my nails, my eyebrows, shaving, all that. So get ready for that, and I'm gonna see y'all in like maybe around like 2 o'clock ish. That's when I get out of work. But yeah, like my room is so cute right now. I kind of fix my bed and stuff. But yeah, I cannot wait for my channel to really get it, because I'm getting a whole new ass camera and it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. So I'm gonna see y'all.
Anyway, y'all look. Anyway, turn the fuck around. Anyway, this bitch wanna be scary for my fucking wall. We at the fucking. You know, right? You feel it, right? And then we at the basketball game, and like the basketball tournament is organized as fuck. It was definitely by Don Mays.
Hey everyone, this is my second voiceover. So first I wanted to show you the foam that I'm using, which is by an African locks and braids store. And then I'm going to go in with some Shine and Jam, just, you know, helping my hair and stuff like that, period.
Trying to do something like this. I don't know how it's gonna work because my hair is so fucking like fucked up. Oh. This is kind of cute, I guess. I don't know what it's gonna give tonight though, but it's gonna give something. This is what I'm going for, I guess. I want it to be looking like a little elegant because it's a masquerade, so I'm just gonna try to go for a little elegant type look, type beat or whatever. I think this is kind of cute. This whole thing is kind of weird. And then my hair, and if I put my hair to the side like this, this is cute. Period. So I'm about to put
okay, and then I'm gonna start doing my edges, which where I just use the brush to brush down. I use the Shining Gems to do my edges, and my edges don't look the best. I didn't really try that well because, you know, my hair is kind of old, so my baby hair is going to show a lot more than my actual edge, but it's honestly okay. But I usually use the edge booster, but I kind of ran out of that like months ago. Never bought it again, but I definitely buy it because I kind of need the shit, especially for summer, so we outside, period.
I just put out all my products, so I'm gonna show y'all what I'm using like one by one. So first off, I use is, well, I can't find my eyebrow thing, but I think my eyebrows look pretty fine to me, so I'm not gonna be using it. But first I'm gonna be using my concealers. So my phone fucking died, so now I gotta do it on my fucking camera. So is there like a glare or something? Oh, it's on the back. It's on the back, not in the front at least.
So first I'm using my primer, which is by Matte. It's a matte primer that I usually use for my face, but I'm planning on getting a dewy one or the e.l.f. Power Grip one. So yeah, I know there is a glare in the camera, but to be honest, like, I didn't really notice. I thought it was just like on the back of the camera instead of like the lens, so that's kind of disappointing. I apologize, y'all see that like little spot of glare, but it'll go away soon. And now I'm just applying the primer to my face, literally second to last, because I did not even realize that the primer was not on my face. Like, what the fuck. Next then, I'm going in with LA CoverGirl, and I think this is the 4th color. This is the lighter color I use my skin, and then I use the other color, which is darker. I think that's like the mocha one for like a contour. Then with a little brush, I'm just going in with some highlight. I forgot the names of these products, so I'm just going to get them for you. At the end of the video, I'm going to link all the products I use down below. And then I go in with my Maybelline foundation, the dewy one, of course, because my skin cannot do that matte shit for real. And then as you can see, this look is supposed to be light, so I'm putting the highlight in the corner of my eye, then I'm trying to spread it out. Like I said, I'm not the best at doing makeup. I am still very much a novice, But y'all just know that I'm learning and I'm really trying to get better at this for real. Then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Just so I love this color for like events and shit. Cause when it matches my skin, and two is fucking sparkly, so it really gives. Also, and then I'm going to go in with a blush, and then after that, I'm gonna start using my eyelash curler, which will be used. I'm not really wearing lashes for this look, which I should have, but it's definitely okay. Like I definitely like that I don't have to wear lashes all the time. I just wear mascara, so. Now, finally, I'm going to be using my Dewy Elf setting spray, and I love this setting spray. It does come out a little wet on your face, but honestly, it does the job. It makes your skin look so fucking moisturized, even with makeup on. That's the end of the video. See y'all later.
Girl, you know